Welcome to sunny Seaside, Florida. We are at a very pretty rest stop just north of Montgomery, Alabama, and we're on our way to Seaside. We're kind of driving down halfway and staying in Prattville. Then we'll be driving in the morning, 3.5 more hours to see the beach.
Good morning. We are somewhere in Alabama, Prattville, and we got this beautiful breakfast. We're on our way to Seaside.
Evan has, well, we're sharing it, all of it, but it's granola, strawberries, banana bread, milk, and I have an avocado toast. Yummy! We're at the Courtyard
so
Marriott.
And I got wild orange hot tea. Next up, Seaside.
Going over a big bridge.
I think we're in Florida now.
Yay!
The palm trees.
Palm trees. Sunny, beautiful water. Look at that bridge.
Back there was Walton High School, and their mascot was the Seahawks.
Aww.
They should be like the Sharks or something, you know? I guess there's already too many high schools.
Seahawks. I was thinking chicken hawks because I was thinking foghorn leghorn. Do you remember the chicken hawk?
Yeah. 283. Yeah, it says watercolor. This is the watercolor side. Yeah, this is the Publix where we always shop for food. And look, that pizza by the sea, that's where we order pizza. I don't know if you know that or not, but when we have
Really?
that pizza, yeah, that's the place right
Evan's been talking about coming to this Publix for like a week now. He's
Yeah.
like, I just can't wait to go into that Publix.
there. Because it's like the vacation
Yeah,
spot.
it's the vacation Publix.
Yeah.
The last 2 times we've stayed in the same house, but we couldn't stay there this time. Luxury condominiums for sale. I think it was shorter, maybe.
Surfing deer? I don't think that was there at all.
Look at those big old trees.
Oh my gosh, we're here.
Trying to get a peek of the ocean.
Oh,
I got a peek!
you did?
Yeah, just a little peek.
Yay. There's blubber dumpers on bicycles. See, this is closer to Seaside than what that other house was, a little bit. Is this the house? Yay, it's this yellow house.
Yay!
Oh my god. Wow.
There's
So
our
private.
bicycles and our umbrella. There's our little pool.
Yay. And it's shady. This is nice. And private.
Cool. Are you excited, Caitlin? Well.
What's your favorite room?
I don't know yet. I like the one downstairs, and I like
Me too.
the 2 in the middle too. Good morning. Last night, Evan and I and all of us went to Publix. We got all of our groceries, and we just kind of relaxed after that. And this morning, Evan and I are going on a bike ride. We're about to see a glorious sight across the street from our house. We didn't get very far on the bikes. Haha! Woo! I can see the water. It looks so pretty.
Turquoise, KP.
Ah! Gorgeous. As far as you can see.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Bring that umbrella. Here we are in sunny Seaside, 2018, and it's about 11 o'clock in the morning, and this is our first time seeing the beach on this trip, and it's beautiful.
Wish you were here.
Yeah.
So we just figured out that you can zoom way and way over there. I'm not even sure I can see it because it's so bright out here. But anyway, over there is Destin. Then, if you zoom out, pan around, beach, 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 baby, beach, baby. Then, you can come over here and see Panama City. We got our feet wet.
Yep. There's a wild Evan at the beach.
Find the wave of the future here at Seaside. In 2013, we found organic sunscreen, Sunbum, that's now everywhere. Now, today I have found boxed water is better, and I bought it because I think it's awesome, so you don't have to put so many plastic bottles out in the world, and it's delicious. Camera's getting a little foggy, but we wanted to come down for this gorgeous sunset. We are facing south when we look at the beach, so we have to look to the west, see the sun, and you can actually see the sunrise, pretty sure, on the other side in the mornings. So you can kind of see both. Pretty amazing. Somebody is brave today. He is out on the sandbar. Lonnie!
Yellow.
What a beautiful sunset. Summer 2018 with my family. Can't imagine anything much better than this. Wow.